Hey guys, how's it going? So lately on YouTube, I've been seeing a lot of people make tier lists, and it's just a list where they rank the best to the worst, and I've been seeing them for all kinds of things. I've been mainly watching them for World of Warcraft, but they have them for all different things, like rank the best to worst American fast food restaurant, or the best to worst drink, or best to worst retail store. Well, I went on here and I thought, what could I do? What kind of tier list could I make for Japan, for like Japanese stuff that I feel comfortable enough with whatever it is to be able to make a tier list about it? And I thought about it, and I thought about Japanese drinks. Now, there's a lot of drinks in Japan that of course are exclusive, but the ones I really wanted to rate were the sweetened drinks. I might make one later on the teas, and I'll make a tier list for the coffees as well, even though I don't drink coffees. But I went ahead and made a tier list for the Japanese sweetened drinks you could get out of vending machines and grocery stores and everywhere else you could do. And they didn't have one on the tier list maker, so I went around Japan and just took pictures of all the drinks I could think of inside vending machines and made this tier list. So without further ado, I'm gonna rank all the sweetened Japanese drinks I find in Japan in this tier list. Let's do it. All right, this is the tier list I made. You can see we have all the Japanese sweetened drinks. I know this isn't a Japanese drink. I went ahead and put Coca-Cola in here anyway, just to see how people rank the Japanese drinks versus how much they like Coca-Cola. But these are all the sweetened Japanese drinks you could find here in Japan. And how this works is S tier is the top tier. That's like, it stands for super, I think, but it's like the best of the best. And then of course you have A ratings, those are great, B, C, D, and then I put a never tried section here before, which a couple of them I haven't tried, or at least I don't remember how they taste if I have tried them. So let's see, what would I do? I'll start right from the beginning here. First of all, Energy Gym. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this one, so I'm gonna put it here. If I have, I don't remember what it tastes like. Kado Pea Soup, this is the soda version, so the carbonated version of Kado Pea Soup. I really like it. I don't always want the soda version, so I'm gonna go with like a B because I don't think the soda version is as good as the regular one. Okay, Real Gold is an energy drink here. If you guys haven't tried it, I really like it, and I'll put it maybe like A tier. I'll say A tier. I have to be in the mood for an energy drink. That's the only reason. Like, it's not something that I would want just all the time. Okay, so this is the peach flavor of the Mitsuya cider. I like the Mitsuya cider. I don't know if I've tried the peach one, but I really like peach flavored drinks. So I'm just gonna put this as never tried. I can't fully remember what it tastes like if I have tried it, so. Okay, next is Aquarius. So Aquarius is similar to Pocari Sweat. This one's made by Coca-Cola, and I think it's worse than Pocari Sweat, but I'm gonna give it a B because it's still really good. I think this is an energy drink, and this is another one I haven't tried. We're getting all the ones I haven't tried out of the way. I always try new drinks here in Japan though, so, but we're just coming up. I think the rest I pretty much have tried. We'll see. But Match, okay, Match is amazing. One of the best drinks here. I think I like it a lot because of the color combination, but because it's like an energy drink, again, it's not gonna be an S tier, it's gonna be an A tier, because I don't always feel like something carbonated, or I don't feel like I could always drink something carbonated, if you guys know what I mean. Kado Pea Soup. So this is like the first, aside from like maybe ramen, this is like the first Japanese drink that I tried. I tried it in America. Kit took me to like a Japanese market in Sacramento when we were first getting together, and I wasn't really familiar with like any of the Japanese stuff. I knew I liked Japan, but I didn't know about the drinks or anything. And this was like the first drink I tried. And I usually like drinks that are white, so I thought I'd like it because typically they're like creamy or like this one's a yogurt flavored, I think, drink. And I really like that. So I'm gonna give it an S. I think some of it is nostalgia, but it is a really good drink, so I'm gonna give it an S. So Yobiku. This is like another yogurt drink. It's very similar to like Yun, and I actually really like this drink as well. I'm gonna give it an A. What you guys may find with me rating the drinks in Japan is, I think Japanese drinks are amazing. So I don't know if any of them are gonna be like a C or a D or something, because I like pretty much all the drinks. Momo, okay, so this is like a peach flavored water. This is also made by Coca-Cola, and this is S tier. I love this drink. It tastes just like you're drinking a peach. If you bite into like a nectarine or a peach or something and you taste that fuzz flavor, like the real peach flavor, that's what it tastes like. It doesn't taste like fake peach or anything. It literally tastes like the fuzz on a peach. So I really like it. Okay, Coca-Cola. This is in there just as sort of a marker, like a base for people. How much do you really love Japanese drinks compared to a basic American drink? This is sold all over in Japan. It's not necessarily a Japanese drink, but you can find it here at any Coca-Cola vending machine, any store. Coca-Cola is everywhere. In fact, fun fact, I don't know if this is still the case, but Coca-Cola is the second most well-known word in the entire world. That's how well they branded themselves. The first most well-known word is okay. Everyone around the world seems to know what okay means. Second is Coca-Cola. That being said, compared to Japanese drinks, I'm gonna give this a D because I feel like a lot of these drinks are gonna be a lot better than Coca-Cola. I like the occasional Coke now and then. Never really drink it though. Okay, so this is like a yogurt water. I tried it for the first time a few months back and I did a vlog on it that I never released because I didn't think it was good enough. It was me just trying a new drink. I tried it not too far back. It tastes like Kado Pea Soup, maybe a little bit more watered down. I do like it. I'm gonna give it a B. I don't think it's the best yogurt drink. I don't know how to organize it. I guess just there is fine. Give it a B. Okay, this one, I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't really remember what this tastes like. I think I've had it before, but I don't know, it's like a cherry flavored drink. I'm not sure. All right, guys, CC Lemon. CC Lemon, again, a carbonated drink, carbonated soda, very, very good. I'm going to give it an A. I really like CC Lemon. This is the Mitsuya cider flavored. This is like a different flavor, maybe cherry. I don't know if I've tried that one either, so I'm gonna put that there. Orangina. This is a drink from France or something like that, but you could find it pretty common here in Japan. It's okay. It's like a carbonated orange juice. It's pretty good. I don't get it a lot though. I'm gonna give it a C because I don't think it's quite as good as these, but it's definitely better than Coca-Cola. So I'm gonna give it a C. Decavita C. I don't know about the small bottle, but the big bottle I get a lot. I think the small bottle tastes the same. It's more like an energy shot. Maybe it has more caffeine than the big bottle, but I get this a lot. I really like it. And I'm gonna say an A. This is really good. This is like a children's orange juice. And actually here's the apple juice. They're both the same brand, but you know, the orange juice and the apple juice. So the orange juice, really good. It's some of the best orange, aside from like a fresh squeezed orange juice, this is like some of the best orange juice I've had. I'm gonna give it a B. I think it's really good. I don't have orange juice that often, so that's gonna be my rating. Royal milk tea. I'm gonna do a separate video for different types of teas in Japan, and this is also gonna be on that. But since this is a sweetened drink, it's also gonna go on this tier list. And it's also gonna be S tier because royal milk tea is phenomenal. If you've never had it, it's like drinking chocolate milk that's not like super strong, but it does have like a milky flavor, but it's like, it doesn't upset your stomach. Every time I drink chocolate milk, if I drink too much of it, it really upsets my stomach. This does not. I think it's because it's more tea based and not milk based. So I really like it and I'm gonna give it an S tier. All right, this is the apple juice version. This is some of the best apple juice I've ever had. I really like the flavor of it. Once again, like the peach drink, it tastes just like you're biting into an apple. Like it doesn't taste like that synthetic apple juice. Well, it kind of does, but it's more real. A lot of the drinks here, when they're flavored with something, they sort of mimic the flavor of the actual fruit very well. Unlike America, if you buy like cheap things like Tropicana orange juice or something in America, tastes really bad and it's like this synthetic orange flavor. I don't know, you know what I mean. But anyway, this is really good. I'm gonna also give it a B. No, you know what? I have to give it an A because I do like it better than the orange juice. I don't get it that often though, but I'm gonna give it an A. You know what? Really quick, since I'm putting this as an A, I'm gonna modify one of these. This Real Gold I do drink a lot, and it is probably my #1 go-to carbonated drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it. This is made by Coca-Cola too, by the way, I think, along with this. Coca-Cola has some good drinks here. I'm gonna move that up to S tier. I really like Real Gold. It's very good. I like Match too, but I think I like Real Gold just a bit better. So that's moving to S tier. I'm changing my mind, going back. Don't get mad at me. Okay, this is apple juice, and this is the Koo version of apple juice. So Koo is like the little kids version. I mean, this is a little kids version too, but Koo is like little kids version drink of apple juice, even though I see adults drink it all the time. I don't really think there's kids and adult things here as much when it comes to drink, but I think they try and do appeal to children. I always think it's funny because every time I read Koo, I think of butt, and hear me out, it's because I'm Portuguese, and Koo in Portuguese means butt. So I think it's really funny. I grew up hearing that constantly. My grandma speaks to me in Portuguese. I know all the swear words. I'm a professional. Anyway, it means butt, and I always think it's funny. Koo's really good. Not as good as this apple juice, I think, but I'm gonna give it a B. All right, I accidentally put sokin bicha in here. It's like barley tea. It doesn't belong in the sweetened stuff. It's not sweetened, so I'm not even gonna rate it right now. I gotta remove that, so I'll edit it later. Pocari Sweat, the ultimate Gatorade hydration drink ever. This is also going in S tier. It is very good, much better than Aquarius. Don't hate me if you like Aquarius better. They're both good. Aquarius is a B, as you can see, but Pocari Sweat is amazing. I give it an A. Goon Goon is another yogurt flavored drink, just like this one. I love it very much. I'm gonna give it an A. I don't get it that often, but I really like it. Okay, this I don't think I've tried before, so I'm just gonna put it here. I haven't tried that little bottle. The original Mitsuya cider. This one's very good. If you haven't had this, but you've had like the ramune drink, the marble soda, the one that they come in a glass bottle. You get them in America, a glass bottle. You hit the marble on top, and then that's how you open it and you drink it. There's a marble inside. It tastes very similar to that, and I really like it. I'm gonna give it an A. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be my tier list video for sweetened drinks in Japan. And check this out. If you guys wanna make a tier list of your own for these Japanese drinks, I'm gonna link this tier list down below, and I really wanna see how you guys rank your tier list. I don't think there's any way to share your tier list on YouTube, but if you'd like to share it, because I would really like to see what you guys rank it, go ahead and put it in the community section of our Facebook page, Live in Okinawa. I think that's probably the best thing we have for you to share, like your photos and kind of get group discussions going on. But I really wanna see some of your tier list. I will link the link to go directly to that down below, so it's not all confusing. Just straight to the community tab, post your tier list, and I will also link the link to the tier list I made here, and I would love to see how you guys rank this. I thought this was super fun. I don't know if anybody's gonna be interested. I don't know if maybe if you haven't tried any of these drinks in Japan, you can see what I think of them and how good they are, and maybe it'll help you try some new drinks. Again, I'm sure everybody's opinion is different, but I wanna see what you guys rank this thing. This was a lot of fun for me. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, if you love Japan, if you love Okinawa, whatever, if you like seeing me talk, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.